Good morning students. In last class we discussed about CSA and TSA and volume of the cylinder hole, and we discussed about what is the difference between LSA, TSA and difference between volumes of the hole and the cylinder. Today we are going to learn, our object is to solve the problems based on cube, cuboid and triangular prism. So this exercise is the 10.1 first exercise. Yesterday, in last class we saw one problem. So today we are going to remaining problems. So every day we are going to the aim before starting more chapter. Aim is to know the importance of the 3D objects in our daily life. So every day we are saying one importance. Today I want to say, suppose one pipe is there. If you take the irrigation project of Kaleshwaram, you want to lift the water upside, compulsory we require pipes. Okay, if you observe this pipe, it is in the cylinder. So in downside too, you have to take the water upside. Compulsory we can't take in the canals. Compulsory we require pipes like this. So you want to take the water from Bhupalpalli to Sangareddy or Singur project, we require like this many pipes. So in irrigation department we have a lot of importance for the geometry. Now we are going to see our objective to solve the problems based on cube, cuboid and triangular prism. So in last class I gave one homework problem that is based on cuboid is given L value, B value and H value. We asked to find LSA and TSA. You know very well, LSA equals 2H of L plus B, TSA equals 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. I hope you did that problem. So today we are going to see another problem. Second and third problem. Now see the second problem. The total surface area of the cube is given, that is 1350 square meters. Find its value. Question number 2. What is given? What is the total surface area of cube? So we have some TSA of cube equals to 1350 square meters. Otherwise we can write meters square. So what you have to find? To find volume of the cube. So already we derived formulas for LSA, TSA and volume of the cube. Once I want to write everything again on the board. This is the cube. LSA equals to 4a square. Why we are taking 4a square? Because 4 lateral faces. Each one is a square. A square plus a square plus a square equals to 4a square. Next TSA 6a square, including top and bottom. So volume of the cube equals to a cube. So it is a square prism, base into area of the base into height. A square into a cube. So today what is given? TSA of the cube is given. So we know the formula TSA of cube. TSA of, we know that TSA equals to 1350. But we know TSA of cube. So TSA equals to 6a square. So already you know. So cube. This is one base. A square, a square, a square, a square, 4a square, top one a square, bottom one is 6a square. So this TSA is given. We have to find the value. So total. So I gave a clear idea what is the difference between surface area and volume. Suppose you want to manufacture this cylinder. So how much CP is required? That is related to surface area. So you want to fill with water or anything, that is related to the volume of the any object. So is given two things. Surface area is given, total surface area. We have to find the value. So for that we want to find value, we require a value. So how to find 6a square equals to 1350. So a square equals to 1350 by 6. So we have to consider 6 table. 6 1 6 2 12, remain 15. 6 2 12, remain 3, 30. 6 5 So a square equals to 225. You have to write the 225 as square of another number. We can write 15 square, otherwise a equals to root of 225. So we get the a equals to 15 meters. Now we have to find the value. What is asking? You have to find the value of the cube. So value of the cube, b equals to a cube, that is 15 cube. So 15 into 15. So 15 into 15, already we know 225 into 15. So I want to do calculation here. 225 into 15. 25 2 10 12 1 10 10 1 11. Next 5 2 2. Once again see 5 into 5 25. 5 2 into 5 10 plus 2 12. 5 into 10 plus 1 11. So with one table is 225 as it is 225. Now 5 7 3 3. So that is 3375 cubic meters. Otherwise meter cube we can write. So this is regarding second problem. What is given, what we have found. So TAC of cube is given, that is nothing but 6. A square is given. So we have to find value of the cube, that is a cube we have to find. So we have to see another problem. So I shown this problem. Find the area of the four walls of the room. Assume that there is no doors or windows. If it is length is 12 meters, breadth is 10 meters, and height is 7.5 meters. So once we have write the given data. For cuboid, 3 parameters. One is the L length, another one is the breadth, one more is the H. Then only we can find LSA, TSA and value. Otherwise, if we don't know any one value, we can't do anything. So what is given here? Given. What is given? Find the four walls. Find the area of the four walls of the room. If its length is 12 meters. Given L equals to 12 meters. One more is breadth is given, B equals to 10 meters. So another one is the height of the room, H equals to 10 meters. Sorry, 7.5 meters. Now we have to find the area of the four wall. Is given. Assume that there are no doors or windows. Okay. In real life there is no room like that, but is given condition. If you take our room, there will be 3 windows and 1 door. So but is given, we have to consider there is no windows, no door. So we have to take 4 areas of the 4 walls. So nothing but, okay, if you consider as a room, it is in the cuboid shape. So we have to find the area of the 4 walls. This back side and this side. So we have formula already derived in last class, that is LSA equals to LSA, nothing but area of the 4 walls of the room equals to 2h of L plus B square units. Why we are taking is asking to paint only walls, not the top and bottom. So we are excluded top area and bottom area. We are taking only surface, which are sides. So next we have to find LSA. LSA nothing but area of 4 walls. 4 walls of the room. Which is equal to 2h height of the room, that is 7.5 into L plus B. L equals to 12, B equals to 10. 12 plus 10. So 2 into 7.5. 7.5 2 times, that is 15 into 2 plus 12 plus 10, 22. So you have to multiply 15 into 22. Otherwise 22 into 15. Because A into B equals to B into A. 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, both are same only. We can multiply 15 into 22, otherwise 22 into 15. So 5 to the 10, 1, 5 to the 10, 11, again 1 by 2, 0, 3, 3. 330 meters square. This is the area of the 4 walls. What is the condition is given? There is no windows, there is no door. But in real life there is like this. Suppose if you take windows and doors, we have to remove that area. We are with the remaining area of the walls. So next problem. Fourth one. Okay, what is given fourth question? The volume of the cuboid is given, the length is given, breadth is given. We have to find its height. Again same cuboid, I want to ask this. So in this question is given length, breadth, height. In next problem, fourth question, what is given? I want to ask again. 4 given. Value is given, value equals to 1200 meter cube, so centimeter cube. So next to length is given, L equals to 15 centimeters, breadth equals to 10 centimeters. So what you have to find? To find height of the cuboid. HP we have to find. So once again see given data. So the value of the cuboid is given, that is 1200 centimeter cube. Next length of the cuboid is given 15 centimeters. B is the 10 centimeters. H we don't know. So for the cuboid we have 3 parameters, that is length, breadth and height. So in that already we know the 2 parameters L and B. Still we have to find H. For that is given one more value of the cuboid. You know value of cuboid. Okay, no need to buy up the formulas. Value of the cuboid nothing but, so area of the, this is also a prism. Area of the base into height. What is area of the base? L into B. It is a rectangle into height. L into B into H is given. Area of the cuboid equals to 1200 equals to L known value 15. We can substitute into B. Again is given 10. H we don't know, we have to find. So 15 into, we can cancel that, otherwise I was 15 into 10 into H equals to 1200. Okay, 15 and 10 are the multiplication. If I take this side transposition, it becomes a division. So H equals to 1200 by 15 into 10. No need to multiply, you ask it. 15 into 10. 10 and 1 0 get cancelled. Next 15 H equals to with 5 tables. 5 3s are 5 2s are 10 and 20. 5 4s are. Next 3 1s are 3 8s. So h equals to 8 centimeters. So now we know L value is a known value, B is a known. Now h also become known value. Is it possible to find TSA? Not possible. Before that we can't find because we don't know the height of the cuboid. Or it is possible. Okay. Now let's note the question number 6. Okay, I will explain question number 5. First, I want to give question number 6. Similar to this problem. So what is given question number 6? The base of the prism is triangle shape. Sides 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Find the volume of the prism if its height is 10 centimeters. So triangular prism is there. Before drawing I want to show model. So what is given? 3 sides of the triangle given. A equals to 3 centimeters. B equals to 4 centimeters, C equals to 5 centimeters. Next, height of the prism also given, h equals to 10 centimeters. We have to find the value. Find value of the triangular prism. So we know very well any prism, value of prism equals to area of base into height. So this is given triangular prism. This is a triangular prism. So already I showed square prism, which is a cube. So base is a square, top also a square. Coming to here, this is a triangular prism. Base is a triangle and top also a triangle. Again they are coincide to each other. Otherwise, one more word is there in mathematics. We can say they are congruent to each other. So we have to find the value of this triangular prism. So what you have to find? Area of the base into height. So height is given. Height equals to 10 centimeters. Next, no problem with the edge. Height. Still there is a problem with the area of the base. So 3 sides of the triangle is given. 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. How to find the area of the base? Nothing but problem with triangle, not with the base. So area of the triangle. So 3 sides are given. If you closely observe, they are a Pythagoras triplets. 3, 4, 5. Take 5 square, 25. 3 square, 9 plus 4 square, 16. 9 plus 16, 25. You can apply the half base into height. Otherwise, 3 sides are there. We have one more formula. Take the area of triangle equals to under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Otherwise, one more formula you can take half base into height. In that case, triangle should be like this. So one thing is very important. It is not mentioned. It is a right angle triangle. By seeing the 3 sides, we are decided it is a right angle triangle. We don't know nature of the triangle, maybe equilateral or anything. We can apply direct formula. Area of the triangle equals to under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. From that we can find area of the base. So I want to apply the second formula. You can try with the first formula. The answer should be same. So area of the base. So half into b into h. So base is 4, height is 3. 4 into 3. Very important. This h is the height of the prism. This h is the height of the triangle. I want to keep forward the confusion. h1 4 into 3 into height of the prism, that is 10. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 into 3 into 10. 2 into 3 6 into 10, 60. So it is again centimeters for value centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter cube. Otherwise you can write cubic centimeters. This is the value of the triangular prism. Okay. So today we learned about the how to solve the problem by using whatever formulas we have. Today we solve problems related to the cube, cuboid and triangular prism. Okay, thank you.